up, guys? Quiz James here, and in this video, we'll be studying evaluating limits by means ng factoring. So, wala natin padawin gayon, let's proceed with the first example. Number one is we have this limit of x squared minus 2x plus 3, minus 3 over 3x minus 9 as our x approaches to 3. So, generally speaking, when we evaluate limits, we just perform direct substitution. So basically, tanan x's na to diri guys will be substituted by 3. With this, natay 3 squared minus 2 times 3 minus 3 all over 3 times 3 minus 9. And we can simplify it further to 3 squared is just 9 minus 6 minus 3 all over 9 minus 9. So, ato makita nga 9 minus 6 minus 3 is just 0, and also 9 minus 9 is 0. So you can see 0 over 0 ang ato ang result by direct substitution. That only means that we can perform either rationalizing or factoring. But since wala man tayong makita ng square root diya so far, so obviously we will perform factoring with this example. So usa may the idea ni factoring di guys. Ang atong goal is we need to find that factor na makapa-zero sa ato ang limits, both sa numerator and sa denominator. And actually, we can get a hint from our x kung asa siya padulong. So take note that x approaches to 3, and with this, so ato lang iset siguro na x equals 3, and we just equate it to 0, or simply, ato lang itabok sa 3 sa pikas, and we obtain x, sorry, atong i-perform ang pagtabok ni 3 sa pikas, and we obtain x minus 3 equals 0. With this, na the idea that x minus 3 as a factor is both present sa ato ang numerator and sa denominator. Okay? With this, atong isulat atong limit again, but this time, we are very sure that x minus 3 is both present sa ato ang numerator and denominator. Okay? For the numerator part, so usa man nga factor ang ato ang makita nga pag atong i-multiply by x minus 3, it will yield x squared minus 2x minus 3. So, atong makita nga since x squared man ang quadratic na to nga term, then we can write the other factor as a linear with x lang siya. Okay? And as for the constant, atong makita na 3 man siya. So, the only number nga pag atong i-multiply sa 3 will get 3 is just 1. And as for the signs, since the constant negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, then we can just treat it as a positive 1. So, x minus 3, the quantity of x minus 3 times the quantity of x plus 1 is just x squared minus 2x minus 3. Okay? And as for 3x minus 9, so obviously, atong makita na GCF naman siya, guys. So, the, if we extract GCF of this, which is 3, so x minus 3 times 3 lang ang factored form ni 3x minus 9. Okay? And with this, we can safely say na ma-factor out na to siya. Tanggal and matanggal po siya. That leaves us with a simpler limit na x approaches to 3, na limit na to, and x plus 1 over 3 na siya. Okay? And the moment na matanggal na to ato ang desired factor, which is x minus 3 in this case, so we can perform direct substitution as well. So, basically, ato namang i-substitute na. So, natay 3 plus 1 over 3, which gives us 4 thirds. And that's the answer for our first limit. Okay, so let's proceed with another one. We have this limit of u cubed plus 3u squared plus u all over u as u approaches to 0. So again, ato siyang i-direct sub, guys. So natay 0 cubed plus 3 times 0 squared plus 0 all over 0, and simply makakuha gyapon ta og 0 over 0. Okay, with this, ato gyapon i-perform ang factoring. Okay? So again, ang idea na to here is we need to find that factor na ato ang i-cancel para dili na siya mo yield og 0 over 0 by another direct substitution. And in this case, since atong limit nga u, limit is that u approaches to 0, that only means na u na to is the desired factor na atong tanggalan. Okay? And atong makita guys na naman si denominator. Na naman siya yudaan. So, di na nato siya hilabdan. And we'll just settle with the numerator. As you can see, we have u cube plus 3u squared plus u. Okay, so ato siyang butang is somehow scratch like u cube plus 3u squared plus u. And I think we can factor it out by extracting the common monomial factor, which is x. Sorry, u. So, nata u here. Then, ato nang i-divide din guys. Like, u cube over u plus 3u squared over u plus u over u. Okay? And we can simplify it further. So, u cubed divided by u is just u squared. 3u squared over u is just 3. Then, u na rin mabilin. And u divided by u is just 1. Okay? So, karon atong i-write ang limit na to. So, natay limit of u times u squared plus 3u plus 1 all over u as u approaches to 0. Okay? And ato makita na u is present both sa numerator and denominator, and thus we can cancel it out. So that remains, and natin limit ni u cube, sorry, u squared plus 3u plus 1 as our u approaches to 0. And with this, we can perform direct substitution again, and our answer is 0 squared plus 3 times 0 plus 1, which is just 1. Thus, the limit of 3u cubed plus 3u squared plus u all over u as u approaches to 0 is just 1. Okay? Moving forward with the third example, we have the limit of x plus 4 squared minus 16 all over x as x approaches to 0. So, once again, ato lang indirect sub guys. So, natay 0 plus 4 squared minus 16 all over 0. So, we have 0 plus 4, which is 4, and 4 squared is just 16. So, 16 minus 16 is 0. That means, again, ato lang siyang i-perform ang factoring. Okay? Similar to the previous example, since atong limit kay x man siya approach to 0, then we need to find a way na ma-extract nato si both numerator and denominator by x. And once again, ang ato ang denominator is x naman siya daan, so dili na nato siya hilabtan. So let's just look with x plus 4 squared minus 16. Okay? So x plus 4 squared minus 16, and I think we can just perform squaring a binomial. So naatay x squared, we can do that by squaring the first term. And sa middle term is just twice the product. So ato lang idoblehon ang first and the last term. So 2 times x is 2x, and 2x times 4 is just 8x. Okay? And the last term, you have to square 4 lang. So 4 times 4 is 16. Okay? And with this, natay x squared plus 8x minus 16, and further nga matanggal ni siya. So na lang tayo x squared plus 8x. With this, naman tayo makita ng GCF, the common monomial factor, which is x lang. So natay x, then ato lang divide like this. Okay? So with this na lang tayo x, tapos times the quantity of x squared over x, which is just x. Then, cancel lang na to si x diri a. So, mabili na lang diri a is 8. Thus, the quantity of x plus 4 squared minus 16 is just x times x plus 8. Okay? So, if we rewrite the limit, so that tayo limit of x times x plus 8 all over x as x approaches 0. So, ato lang button ana kay, uy, natin makancel x and x. So, that leaves us with a simpler limit, which is the limit of x plus 8 as x approaches to 0. And with that, natin makuha nga 0 plus 8, which is simply 8. And that's the answer for our limit, number 3. Moving forward with number 4, we have this limit of 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 3 all over x minus 1. So, if ito siyang indirect sub, again, we simply substitute all of our x's by 1. So, natay 4 times 1 cubed minus 2, 1 squared plus 1 minus 3 all over 1 minus 1. So 4 times 1 cube is just, wait, it's just 4 minus 2 times 1 squared is just 2 plus 1 minus 3 all over 0. So again, it is 0 over 0 thing. With this, we will perform another factoring. Okay? Since ang ato ang limit kay x approaches to 1, so atong pangitaon ang factor na need na to i-cancel out both sa numerator and sa denominator. So we have x minus 1. Okay, originally, this is just x equals to 1, and pagtabog na to sa 1, sa other side. So we have x minus 1 equals to 0. So that means this factor, okay, dapat ma-extract na to both sa numerator and denominator. And once again, it is present naman daan sa numerator, sa denominator. So, may tinatag way na ma-extract si 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 3. Okay? So, actually guys, ang ato lang i-perform dito is just long division. So, we have 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 3 all over x minus. Okay, so as I recall lang sa long division, we usually divide the first term when arranged sa iyahang exponents in descending form. So the 4x cubed divided by x, that gives us 4x squared. So pagbalik ani, 4x squared times x gives us 4x cubed. Then 4x squared times negative 1 is just negative 4x squared. Okay? So, para ito siyang i-subtract, pwede na ito siya i-change lang sign like this. So, oh sorry. This 4x cubed, dapat may mo siyang negative, and this one is may mo siyang positive. Okay? Sa pa-perform ana, matanggal naman ang ato ang 4x cubed. So, atong i-add si negative 2x squared by 4x squared. So, nadagtay 2x squared plus x minus 3. Okay? So, again, ito lang i-perform process. I-repeat lang na to. 2x squared divided by x. That gives us 2x. 2x times x is just 2x squared. And 2x times negative 1 is just negative 2x. Okay? And once again, para mas simplify lang na to, ato lang i-change ang signs diri. So, this 2x squared becomes a negative. And this one kay ma-plus. Okay? So, karon naatay makancel magyapon si wait, okay, ayun na, sorry for that. And this 2x squared kay dapat makancel siya. Alright, yan. So, what remains is just x plus 2x, which is 3x minus 3. And last process na to here is divide 3x by x. We have a positive 3. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And pag ato siya i-subtract, so maragyapon, ato lang i-change ang signs. So you have a negative here and a positive here. So obviously, matanggal sila duha. And we have a 0 remainder. Okay. So, always gid siya guys nga ma-zero gid ato ang remainder. Kaya again, sure gid ta nga kaning si x minus 1 is just a factor of 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 3, which is 4x squared plus 2x plus 3 ang iyang quotient. And thus, we can rewrite the limit as this. Like limit siya ni still nagapod si x minus 1, but the other factor must be 4x squared plus 2x plus 3 all over x minus 1 as our x approaches to 1. Okay? And with this, may cancel na rin siya. So, 1 na lang denominator or simply, ato lang i-write ang ato ang limit as the limit of 4x squared plus 2x plus 3 as our x approaches to 1. And with that, na rin tayo, 4 times 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 3. And with that, maka-obtain taog 4 plus 2 plus 3, which is 9. Okay? So for our last example in this video, we have x squared minus 5x plus 4 all over x squared minus 6x plus 8. So yung limit lang is that its x approaches 4. So again, direct sub lang taani guys. So all over x is here will be replaced by 4, garnering 4 squared minus 5 times 4 plus 4 all over 4 squared minus 6 times 4 plus 8. Okay? And ato siyang simplify na tayo makuha nga 16 minus 20 plus 4, which is 0 lang siya. Meanwhile, sa iyahang denominator, natin 16 minus 24 plus 8, which is also equivalent to 0. Thus, we will perform lang ang factoring again. Okay? So, to get the idea kung kisa ito i-cancel out, ato lang express ni x approaches to 4 as an equality with x equals to 4. Pagtabok ni 4 sa tikas sa side na equation, we obtain x minus 4 equals to 0. So that means that x minus 4 must be cancelled out sa ato ang numerator and denominator para ma-simplify ato ang limit and dili na siya 0 over 0 after direct substitution. So with this, we are sure that x minus 4 is both present as factors sa ato ang x squared minus 5x plus 4 and x squared minus 6x plus 8. Okay? So x minus 4. So first, ato makita na plus man ang 4. So the only way to garner this term d as a constant is a negative one. Okay? So negative 4, which is, kung ato siya multiply by 1, it gives 4. But negative siya dapat kay para negative 4 times negative 1 is just 4. Okay? And ato siyang botahan ng x here kay x squared naman is just x times x. With this, natin x minus 4 times x minus 1 as equivalent ni x squared minus 5x plus 4. And lastly, sa ato ang x squared minus 6x plus 8. So again, positive ato ang constant. So we have this idea na negative dapat ang sign sa ato ang constant. So negative 4 multiplied by negative 2 gives 8. So natay minus 2 here. And again, x squared can be decomposed as x times x. Okay? So with this, natin ma-cancel out diri nga x minus 4, simplifying the limit as the limit of x approaches to 4 with x minus 1 all over x minus 2. So ito lang isub siya guys. So natin 4 minus 1 over 4 minus 2. Obtaining 3 over 2. Okay? So kung mag-wonder guys, ganong dali ang to factoring na techniques, like ako rin siyang gidiretso. So you may just watch the previous videos na akong gi-post sa YouTube with regards sa factoring trinomials. Okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to comment lang. And that's the end of our video. So sa atong next video, atong i-solve or atong evaluate ang ubang limits with the concept of rationalizing. So if you have any more questions, feel free again to chat lang, and you may also contact me and sa ato ang FB page. So once again, bye-bye and have a nice